Hi students, in yesterday class we discussed about coordination compounds. So in coordination compounds some important terms are there, which is ligand is very important term we are going to discuss. First of all, you know what is a ligand. Say important terms. See important terms in coordination complex compounds. See first one is ligand. So what is ligand means? A chemical substance which directly bond the central atom with coordinate covalent bond. A chemical substance which directly bond the central atom with coordinate covalent bond is called ligand. The chemical substance which directly bound the central atom with coordinate covalent bond with coordinate covalent bond. With a coordinate covalent bond is called ligand. The chemical substance which directly bond the central atom with a coordinate covalent bond is called ligand. Okay. Then we have to discuss types of ligands. We have to discuss types of ligands. How many types of ligands we have means many types. So first one is negative ligands. Negative ligands. So negative means Cl minus which having negative charge are called Cl minus, F minus, Br minus. All these are example for negative ligands. The ligand which having negative charge are called negative ligands. Next, positive ligands. Positive ligands. So what are positive ligands means? The ligands which having positive charge are called positive ligands. For example, NO plus, NO2 plus, NH2, NH3 plus, all these are positive ligands. Okay, next neutral ligands. Neutral ligands. The ligands having no charge. The ligands having no charge are called neutral ligands. Example, NH3, H2O, CO. All these are neutral ligands. If the ligand is present in the coordination compound, we may pronounce as amine. If water molecule is present in the coordination complex compounds, we may pronounce aqua. If CO, carbonyl, like this. See, these are based on charge. So negative ligands, positive ligands, neutral ligands, which having negative charge, which having positive charge, which having no charge. Okay, see they having negative charge. Negative charge. They having positive charge. They having positive charge. They having no charge. No charge. See, these are called neutral. Next, monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. The ligand which having one donor atom. Which having one donor atom and supplies one electron pair to the central metal atom is called monodentate ligand or a unidentate ligand. Monodentate ligand or a unidentate ligand. Okay, the ligand which having the ligand which having one donor atom. One donor atom. It supplies one electron pair to the central metal atom and it supplies one electron pair to the central atom. Is called a unidentate ligand or a bidentate ligand. Example Cl minus, F minus, Br minus, NO2 minus. All these are examples for monodentate ligands. All these are examples for monodentate ligands. Next, bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand means the ligand which having two electron pairs. The ligand which having two electron pairs, which having two donor atoms. The ligand which having two donor atoms. The ligand which having two donor atoms are called bidentate ligands. If you take examples for bidentate ligands, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. Okay, it having here lone pair. These two donor atoms. So name of this molecule is ethane 1,2 diamine. Ethane 1,2 diamine. This is we may write EN. Simply we may write EN. EN means ethane 1,2 diamine. So it having two donor atoms. Next, one more example, C2O4 minus 2. So it is nothing but a oxalate oxalate ion, oxalate ion. Here having oxygen having donor atoms. Oxygen, two oxygens having two electron pairs which donates. So here oxygen, two oxygens are donor atoms. So these are bidentate ligands. Next you have to know polydentate ligands. Polydentate ligands. The ligand which having two or more donor atoms. The ligand which having two or more donor atoms are called polydentate ligands. The ligand which having two or more donor atoms, two or more donor atoms are called polydentate ligand. Okay, see here, see here, for example, here example EDTA, it is the example. EDTA means ethyl diamine tetraacetic acid. Ethyl diamine tetraacetic acid is called polydentate ligand. Is called polydentate ligand. Ethyl diamine tetraacetic acid. Tetraacetic acid. Okay, so here it is its structure is N CH2 COOH, N CH2 COOH, CH2 CH2 N CH2 COOH, CH2 COOH. It is its structure. It having donor atoms. It having donor atoms, and carbon does not having donor atoms. Oxygen also having donor atoms. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 molecules can be act as a donor atoms. Okay, so this is a polydentate ligand. Polydentate ligand. So this is briefly important terms. So ligand and types of ligands: negative ligand, positive ligand, neutral ligand, mono ligand, monodentate ligand, or bidentate ligand, polydentate ligand, like this. Now one more type of ligand we are going to discuss, that is a ambidentate ligand. Very important, that is a ambidentate ligand we are going to discuss. Got it? Next, we have to discuss ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. See, ambidentate ligand means it is a ligand which having two donor atoms, but in the coordination compound one atom forms bond with the central metal atom is called ambidentate ligand. It is a type of unidentate ligand. It is a type of unidentate or monodentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand means in the complex compound the ligand having two donor atoms, but one donor atom bonds with the central metal atom is called ambidentate ligand. See here, the ligand which having two donor atoms, the ligand which having two donor atoms, but one atom but in the formation of complex one atom bonds with the central metal atom, See, the ligand which having two donor atoms, but in the formation of complex so one atom bonds with the central atom is called ambidentate ligand. It is very important ligand. So here it is a 2 marks question. So example NO2 minus. So here M bonds with N, single bond oxygen and double bond oxygen. Okay, it having electron pair. It is the metal, it is the ligand. So here nitrogen bonded with the central metal atom. So it is nothing, it is called as nitro. It is a nitro, called as a nitro. If central metal atom is bond with oxygen, single bond and double bond O, then here it is the metal, it is the ligand. It is a ligand. Then it is called nitrito. It is called nitro and it is called nitrite. So this is a ambidentate ligand. This is ambidentate ligand. See here, it is a ambidentate ligand. Then one more important topic we are going to discuss, that is nothing but a chelate effect. Chelate effect. One more important topic we are going to discuss, that is chelate effect. What is chelate effect means? What is chelate effect means? What is chelate effect means? See here, the ligand which forms coordinate covalent bond with the central metal atom, which gives cyclic structure. So what I mean to say, bidentate ligand or polydentate ligand is called a chelate ligand. See here, bidentate ligand, bidentate or polydentate, polydentate, bidentate or polydentate ligand are called chelate ligand. Chelate ligand. So which forms a cyclic structure in complex compound, which forms a cyclic structure in complex compound, which form cyclic structure, cyclic structure in complex compound. Okay, complex compound. I am going to explain with one example which forms cyclic structure in the complex compound. See here, chelate ligand gives more stable complexes comparing to monodentate ligand. Chelate ligand, chelate ligands give more stable structures, more stable structures. Chelate ligands give more stable structure than monodentate ligands, than monodentate ligands. So this effect is called chelate effect. This effect is called chelate effect. This effect is called a chelate effect. Understand? See here, bidentate ligand or polydentate ligand are called chelate ligands or chelating ligands, which forms a cyclic structure in complex compounds. See here, chelate ligands give more stable structures than monodentate ligands. So this effect is called, this process is called a chelate effect. For example, COEN taken thrice plus 3. This is example, complex compound is example. I am going to draw its structure. Okay, see here, CO plus 3, which is a complex compound. Okay, which is a complex compound. See here, these two coordinate covalent bonds formed by bidentate ligand. It is nothing but a En. It is nothing but a En, and these two coordinate covalent bonds formed by En, and these two coordinate covalent bonds formed by En. Okay, so which gives a cyclic structure? So it is nothing but a En. So which gives cyclic structure? This effect is called chelate effect. Very important. This effect is called a chelate effect. Very important for 4 marks. Okay. So this is ambidentate ligand, very important, and it is a chelate effect. Understand? So this is briefly chelate effect. What is chelate effect means? See here, a bidentate or polydentate ligand are called chelate ligands. So which forms cyclic structure in complex compounds like this? Which forms a cyclic structure in the complex compound? The chelate ligands gives more stable structures than monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand means which forms one coordinate covalent bond. So this forms 2 bonds. So this one and this one. Okay. So this is today's class.